Hi, I am Pragati Prasar. I am from Hooghly Mohsin College and I am legal intern of FlexClick company. My topic is sexual harassment at workplace. So in the past period of time, men were treated as a bread earner of the family, but after globalization has changed many things. There is a woman has a power to deal with everything, whether household work or company. Both are controlled and managed by the women also in India and in the world. Many company has controlled by women. So there is no place where women are not engaged, either education field, army, politics, media, etc. So workplace sexual harassment affect gender discrimination, and it affect their right to life, right to dignity, and the right to equality also, which is mentioned in the Indian Constitution. That is Article 14, 15, and 21 of the Indian Constitution. So sexual harassment affect and provide the insecure and hostile working environment, but it also affect their working power. So women were not able to give that much of effort and that much of working capacity and working result which is given by the women in previously. So it affect their mental condition also. So the main objective of the Sexual Harassment Act is to provide the secure environment to the women, and if anything is happened with them, so proper judgment is given to them, and proper redressal and procedure should be followed during that. This is made for that. Sexual Harassment Act is made only for the women. It is made by our legislation Supreme Court in 2030. That is the title is Sexual Harassment at Workplace. That is Post Act. In 2013, Criminal Act is also modified, and in that act, certain things are included. That is sexual harassment and the stalking. So this is the gender discrimination and gender equality is already mentioned in our constitution, either preamble, fundamental right, duties, directive principle also. But the sexual harassment at workplace is one of the important point, the act is conducted by the Supreme Court of India after the Visakha judgment case. In the Visakha judgment case, the social worker was gang raped because he was trying to control the child marriage. At On that case and on that basis, after 16 years, Sexual Harassment Act is made. During the guidelines which is followed in the Visakha case is that sexual harassment include the unwelcome sexually determined behavior, that is physical contact and advancer, a demand or request of sexual favor, sexually colored remark, showing pornography, any other unwelcome physical, verbal, and non-verbal conduct of sexual nature. So it is an introduction part of Sexual Harassment Act. So this act helps to control, secure, and provide the free environment for the women. This act is made for women and try to give the justice to the women. And now the global has changed many things, and this act help us to reduce that thing and provide free working environment to the women. Thank you.